how to buy from AllChinaBuy in 2025. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to AllChinaBuy website and create a free account using your email. Step 2. Browse the store or paste product links. Add your items into the cart. Step 3. Select shipping options. AllChinaBuy usually offers economy, standard, and express shipping. Step 4. Pay securely with available methods. Most people use PayPal or credit card for protection. Step 5. Track your orders directly in your account until it arrives at your door. That's it. Buying from AllChinaBuy is simple once you know the steps. Now, you can shop from AllChinaBuy with confidence. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.